Okay, so in continuation with our previous video, synthesis of indole, we will continue in today's lecture. The next synthesis. So as we know, in 1886, Adolf Baer isolated indole by the pyrolysis of oxindole with zinc dust. Oxindole was originally obtained by the reduction of isatine, which in turn was isolated by the oxidation of indigo. Okay, so here is the reaction how indigo is getting isolated by oxidation of indigo. Okay, so here is the indigo structure of indigo, and indigo on oxidation it gives isatine. Isatine on reduction gives oxindole. Okay, and oxindole on pyrolysis with zinc dust, that it gives indole. So commercially indole is produced from the coal tar. Okay, so this is the basic thing about regarding the indole. Okay, next one, as we know how the indole is aromatic, so it fulfills all these requirement of aromaticity rules. So first one, cyclic. Is it cyclic? Yes. Conjugated. How many pi bonds are there? Lone pair of pi electrons, total pi electrons. Or is it always 4n plus 2 pi electron rule? And regard by considering all these points, we can say indole is aromatic. Okay, so now we'll shift to the remaining indole synthesis. It's a Madelung synthesis. Previously, we have seen Rhizard synthesis, Fischer indole synthesis, and one more synthesis we have, Bartoli indole synthesis we have seen in case of indole. Now remaining two I will cover over here in this topic: Madelung synthesis and Denisio synthesis. So here is a general reaction of Madelung synthesis. The intramolecular cyclization of N-acylated O-orthoalkyl anilines in the presence of a strong base at elevated temperature is known as the Madelung indole synthesis. So here is the N-acylated, okay, at nitrogen acyl group is there, orthoalkyl aniline, okay. So this is aniline parent molecule, and to this parent molecule different substituents is getting attached. So this aniline N-acylation, sorry, and at the alpha position of this aniline, we have alkyl groups, okay, orthoalkyl group. And this molecule, see, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. Okay, so everything we have, what are the requirements for the indole molecule? We have over here. So we have 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbon atom and 1 nitrogen atom. Just we are going to cyclize this one. Okay, so this is nothing but the intramolecular cyclization in presence of strong base at temperature 200 to 400 degrees centigrade. So here we got the our targeted indole molecule. So base we can use like butyl lithium, such kinds of base we can use to do the intramolecular cyclization. We'll see now the mechanism of the Madelung synthesis. Okay, so here is the N-acylated orthoalkylated aniline. Okay, so in presence of strong base, so strong base abstracts proton. So this is the active site now, because Nr doesn't have nitrogen doesn't possess any hydrogen atom. So only this active site CH2. So base abstracts proton from the orthoalkyl group CH2. Generation of carbanion. And then this carbanion adds across this carbonyl group by 1,2 addition reaction, and we can generate like this hydroxyl at the alpha position from the nitrogen. We got here OH group, and at the third position we got hydrogen. So by the elimination of this water molecule, we can reach to the synthesis of the indole. Okay, so very simple synthesis and of Madelung. So go through that one. Next synthesis we will consider now Nenis-Jesco indole synthesis. Okay, Nenis-Jesco, pay attention at the spelling and write down proper spelling: Nenitzescu indole synthesis. Okay, Nenis-Jesco indole synthesis. Now, what are the requirements of molecule? They have given very nicely. Benzene ring, it's one for benzoquinone. Okay, so plus for this molecule with in green one, you can see over here. Oh, sorry, with blue thing they have written what the remaining things. So nitrogen atom and two carbon atoms we are going to take from this molecule. Okay, second starting material. So here one nitrogen atom, two carbon atom, they comes from this starting material, and remaining two carbon atoms they comes from this molecule, starting molecule. These two starting materials on heating, it generates these three okay, three substituted, three ester indol, three ester like the compound we can generate in this one by Lindesco synthesis. We'll see now the mechanism. So with blue thing, second starting material, how to do that one. So it's nucleophile and lone pair which is present on nitrogen atom acts as a nucleophile, and this carbon carbon double bond acts as by shifting of this lone pair, it acts as a double bond, it attacks on the benzoquinone. So shifting of this carbon carbon double bond and in conjugation the carbonyl group. So I think this is also one for conjugate addition. Okay, so this is enone alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group, and nucleophile is getting attached at the first position, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a conjugate addition. So after addition of this one, we do get this type of intermediate. Okay, so proton, this proton which is now here extra, which can create positive charge on nitrogen, that one is getting abstracted by this low negative charge which is present on the oxygen atom. Okay, so here we in this way we can create this hydroxyl group over here. And now the next thing what we can do, we want to connect this now. Oh, okay, so we got here carbon carbon single bond we have generated now. Okay, for indole synthesis now only thing is remaining, we have to generate this carbon nitrogen single bond. Okay, to synthesize this indole. So how to do that one? Now again lone pair, again by elimination of this proton. Okay, and this one is eliminated, this proton is eliminated, that means definitely that one is getting abstracted by this oxygen atom. Okay, which holds negative charge after rearrangement. So it's easy. Lone pair of hydrogen shifting in between carbon carbon and carbon nitrogen lone pair acts as a nucleophile and attack on the carbonyl group. Okay, so once this attack occurs, here you can see there is a formation of carbon nitrogen single bond and OH group. Okay, now what to do? We have to shift this lone pair in between carbon nitrogen and we can eliminate hydroxyl group, followed by elimination of this proton. Okay, so in this way we have eliminated again 1 mole of water. Okay, so elimination of water molecule and 1,4 conjugate addition or 1,2 addition. Okay, in this way, see, first thing, first step is 1,4 conjugate addition across this enone of quinone. Okay, so we have to add this nucleophile to this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group. After 1,4 conjugation, next step is 1,2 addition across this carbonyl group. Okay, 1,2 nucleophilic addition of this lone pair across this carbonyl group, and after that one just elimination of water molecule in these two steps, it regenerates the aromaticity of the indole. Okay, so very simple reactions, all whatever synthesis we have seen, Fischer indole synthesis, Reiser synthesis, then the Bartol-Indole synthesis, Mandling synthesis, and last one then is Jesco synthesis. Total 5 syntheses are there for indole. We will go through that Gilchrist book. If they will cover some more, then we can take one more. But all about this synthesis of indole, all 5 indoles we have covered up to now. Okay, so the next thing now, synthesis part we have finished. Now we will go for a little bit reactivity of indoles. So indoles like pyrols are non-basic. Okay, so we have seen that pyrrole is non-basic because pyrrole possesses an H bond and the lone pair is involved in the aromatic sextet in case of pyrrole. The same thing we observed in indole. Okay, same thing, because pyrrole is fused with the benzene ring, and that pyrrole again, lone pair which is present on the nitrogen atom, that one is involved in the aromatic sextet. as that one is involved in the aromatic sextate, it's not easily available for the next reaction or abstraction of any electrophile. So in that way, we can say indole like pyrols are non-basic due to if protonation on nitrogen occurs, the aromaticity would be lost. Similar to the pyrrole, protonation occurs at the ring carbon atom. So in pyrrole as well as in indole, the same reactivity pattern they do show both of these things. The main difference between indole and pyrrole includes the reactivity order in the electrophilic substitution. Okay, what is the difference in between pyrrole and indole? The reactivity order in the electrophilic substitution reaction and the regioselectivity in electrophilic substitution reaction. So these things you can compare in between pyrrole and indole, which things are similar and which things are different in indole and pyrrole. That one we have to distinguish by making two columns. Once you catch the difference in between these two, that one is it's getting very easy to study all these things very well. Okay, so main differences I have written here. The main differences between indole and pyrrole includes the reactivity order in the electrophilic substitution and the regioselectivity in electrophilic substitution. These 2 points are totally different in these two heterocycles. Next one, the reactivity order in the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so which one is more reactive, which one is less reactive? So we will compare this reactivity order for electrophilic substitution reaction with indole, furon, thiophene, and pyrrole. Okay, so all these four molecules we will compare for electrophilic aromatic substitution. So in that one you can see pyrrole is highly reactive for electrophilic aromatic substitution. Let that after that furon, after that thiophene, and lastly the indole is susceptible for the electrophilic aromatic substitution. See. Here only we did cover all these things. We didn't ask, maybe they can include quinoline here, and they will ask you now write down the sequence of reactivity order of in electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay, so like that also they can, so many questions they can arise. So in that way we have to prepare. So here indole and its analogs are less reactive compared to the corresponding single heterocyclic rings. Okay, so heterocycles which are fused with benzene ring, they are comparatively less susceptible for electrophilic aromatic substitution uh, compared to this their only isolated these heterocycles. Okay, so if benzene ring is getting attached, the maybe the performance for electrophilic aromatic substitution is getting slower for these benzene fused heterocycles. Okay, so this can be attributed to the fact that share of each carbon atoms of the negative charge in this compound is lesser due to delocalization of the charge on the benzene. Okay, so benzene is making these things for a slower electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Okay, now we will go for the regioselectivity. Fusion of the benzene ring with heterocyclic rings alter the regioselectivity. So 2 points were different: electrophilic aromatic substitution and regioselectivity in electrophilic substitutions. Okay, so first point, the reactivity order in the electrophilic substitution. So what the main difference between the indole and pyrrole includes the reactivity order in the electrophilic substitution, first point, and the regioselectivity in electrophilic substitution. So the reactivity order we have seen here. So pyrrole is more susceptible for electrophilic aromatic substitution than indole. And second difference is the regioselectivity in electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so how the pyrrole is different from the indole? Fusion of the benzene ring with heterocyclic pyrrole ring alter the regioselectivity from the alpha position in the single heterocyclic compounds. Okay, for example pyrrole to beta position in the indole. Okay, the beta preference in case of indole can be attributed to the extra stability experienced by the cations resulted from the beta attack over that resulted from the alpha attack. Whereas the attack at the beta position does not disturb the aromaticity of the benzene ring. Thus, the positive charge, okay, thus the positive charge intermediate is delocalized around the benzene ring and gets more stabilize. We will see now how the electrophilic attack will takes place and how the beta position is more susceptible for the electrophilic attack in case of indole.